In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get USDT address on Binance. First, a quick overview. Your USDT address on Binance is the destination where others can send you Tether, or where you can send USDT to your own Binance account from another wallet or exchange. Each address is tied to a specific network, so selecting the correct one is crucial to avoid lost funds. Start by opening Binance on your phone or desktop. Log in using your usual credentials. Make sure you're using the official app or website and that the connection is secure. Once you're in, go to Wallet. Depending on your device, it might be labeled Wallet or Wallets. From there, choose Fiat and Spot. This is the section that shows your spot balances and where you'll find deposit options for individual coins. Next, look for the Deposit button and tap or click Deposit. Binance will ask which coin you want to deposit. Select USDT. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type USDT, then choose Tether USDT from the results. Now comes the most important part, choosing the network. You'll typically see options like TRC20, ERC20, and BP20. This choice must match the network used by the sender. TRC20 runs on the Tron network and often has lower fees and fast confirmations. ERC20 is on Ethereum, widely supported but usually higher in fees. BEP20 is on BNB Smart Chain, generally lower fees with quick processing. If the sender plans to withdraw via TRC20, you must pick TRC20 here. If they use ERC20, pick ERC20, and so on. Never mix networks. Sending USDT over one network to an address generated for another can result in permanent loss. After you select the correct network, your Binance USDT deposit address will appear. Take a moment to verify the network indicator on the screen. You'll also notice the address format can differ by network. For example, TRC20 addresses typically start with a T, while ERC20 and BP20 often start with 0x. To use the address, click Copy and paste it where needed, or let the sender scan the on-screen QR code. If you're unsure about compatibility, double-check the sender's withdrawal network before sharing the address, and consider sending a small test amount first to confirm everything works as expected. That's it. You've opened Binance, navigated to Wallet, chosen Fiat and Spot, tapped Deposit, selected USDT, picked the correct network, and retrieved your USDT deposit address. Stay mindful of the network choice every time, and you'll be set for smooth USDT transfers.